Buffett is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors of all time. His investment philosophy is grounded in fundamental analysis and value investing, which involves buying quality companies at a reasonable price and holding them for the long term. Here are 10 quotes by Warren Buffett on investing that offer insight into his approach. Rule number 1: never lose money. Rule number 2: never forget rule number 1. This quote emphasizes the importance of minimizing risk in investing. Buffett's approach involves carefully evaluating the risks associated with an investment and only taking on those that have a high likelihood of success. 2. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. This quote emphasizes the importance of investing in high-quality companies that have strong competitive advantages and are likely to deliver sustainable growth over the long term. Buffett's approach is to invest in companies that have a long-term competitive edge rather than trying to make a quick profit. 3. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. This quote highlights the importance of looking beyond short-term fluctuations in stock prices and focusing on the underlying value of the business. Buffett's approach involves evaluating a company's long-term potential and only investing when the price represents good value. 4. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. This quote emphasizes the importance of having a long-term perspective when investing. Buffett's approach involves holding on to investments for years or even decades, which allows him to capture the full value of a company's growth potential. 5. I never attempt to make money on the stock market. I buy on the assumption that they could close the market the next day and not reopen it for 5 years. This quote highlights Buffett's emphasis on long-term investing. He is not interested in trying to make quick profits by trading stocks, but instead focuses on building a portfolio of quality companies that can deliver strong returns over time. 6. It is not necessary to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. This quote highlights the importance of consistency in investing. Buffett's approach involves identifying quality companies with strong growth potential and holding on to them for the long term. By staying disciplined and patient, he has been able to achieve extraordinary results over time. 7. If you are willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. This quote emphasizes the importance of having a long-term perspective when investing. Buffett's approach involves identifying high-quality companies with sustainable competitive advantages and holding on to them for the long term, even in the face of short-term market fluctuations. 8. Our favorite holding period is forever. This quote highlights Buffett's commitment to long-term investing. He believes that the best way to capture the full value of a company's growth potential is to hold on to it for the long term. 9. The key to investing is not assessing how much an industry is going to affect society or how much it will grow, but rather determining the competitive advantage of any given company and, above all, the durability of that advantage. This quote highlights the importance of focusing on the fundamentals of a business when making investment decisions. Buffett's approach involves carefully evaluating a company's competitive advantages and growth potential before investing. 10. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. This quote emphasizes the importance of doing your research before making investment decisions. Buffett's approach involves carefully evaluating the risks associated with an investment and only taking on those that have a high likelihood of success. By doing your homework and investing wisely, you can minimize your risk and maximize your returns over the long term. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.